Well, the East Java provincial government are pushing the use of electric vehicles both among the public and within government offices as well. Meanwhile, local companies are also seeing healthy demand for electric vehicles as an Indonesian company in East Java is set to produce 1,000 electric motorcycles every year. Interest over electric vehicles in Indonesia is increasing, not just from the consumer side, but many Indonesian manufacturers are starting to produce electric vehicles as well. In Gresik, East Java, an electric motorcycle assembly company, the Mobil Listrik Indonesia company or Malindo is set to produce 1,000 electric motorcycles per year as the company is seeing healthy demand in Indonesia. In the past week alone, scores of consumers have been visiting the company's warehouse to see the advantages that electric motorcycles bring. The site was even visited by the head of East Java's Energy and Mineral Resources Agency, Nurholi, who took the opportunity to try out one of the electric motorcycles. Nurholi welcomed the production of electric motorcycles in East Java, as the East Java provincial government itself is pushing the use of electric vehicles, as the province's governor has even put out an official directive urging both government offices and the private sector to switch to electric vehicles.
Kami menyambut baik kalau ada pabrikan yang mulai memproduksi motor listrik sehingga banyak alternatif. Jalan dengan apa yang sudah ditegaskan oleh Gubernur Bukowifa. Kami punya surat edaran yang menghimbau kepada seluruh instansi pemerintah, BUMN maupun BUMD maupun swasta untuk menggunakan motor listrik berbasis baterai. Barangkali ini alternatif yang sangat bagus bagi masyarakat untuk bagaimana kita menggunakan motor listrik.
These electric motorcycles produced in East Java sell at a range between 20 to 29 million rupiah. But one of the advantages of owning an electric motorcycle is that users can charge the batteries at home, while some malls in East Java even offer charging stations.
Keunggulannya kalau menggunakan kendaraan listrik ini, maka di rumah bisa di-charge. Jika perlu harus ngantri di stasiun bahan bakar misalnya gitu ya. Nah, kemudian di mal-mal mungkin juga sudah bisa disiapkan SPKLU namanya. Harapan kami nanti ke depan semua SPBU itu juga harus menyediakan SPKLU. Nah, ini tugas kami bersama-sama dengan PLN agar menyediakan SPKLU di berbagai tempat. Maka kemudian nanti masyarakat bisa lebih mudah.
Not just beneficial for consumers in terms of saving costs amid the recent rise in oil and fuel prices, but the government's push towards the use of electric vehicles will further accelerate Indonesia's target to reach net zero emission by 2060.